In grower phase, broilers farmers struggle a lot, and honestly, most of the time it is not because of complicated problems. It is one or two small things you are probably getting wrong. So if you have idea of starting broiler farming or you have started, it is important to watch this until the end. In this video, I'm sharing with you 3 mistakes that many new broiler farmers struggle with. Mistake number 1 is long feed. First thing, go check your feed bag right now. At week 3, you need to stop using starter feeds and start feeding grower feeds. So many farmers will ask me why they should do this. Growers got about 20% protein. This is a bit less than starter feeds, but grower feeds contain more energy. Now, why does that matter? At this stage, your chickens are not building bone anymore, but they are building muscles. And muscle needs energy to grow, not just protein sitting there and doing nothing. So, if you are still feeding starter after week 3, you are paying for protein your birds can't use it, and that money get wasted. When you switch to growers on time, it really does make a big difference. Mistake number 2 is wasting feed. Go look at your feeders right now. If they are sitting on the ground, that's a problem. When the feeders are low, chickens scratch at it. Feed goes flying on the ground, mixing with droppings and get wet, and that it is gone. You paid for that feed and it is just sitting there wasted. How to solve this? Raise the feeders up to the height of the backs of your birds. Mistake number 3 is bad air inside the coop. This can be easy to miss. To detect if the air is bad in the coop, walk into a chicken house and just breathe. If it smells sharp, the moment you walk in, your birds are already struggling. At this phase, chickens are bigger than they were in the starter phase. This means they are releasing more waste, and more waste produce more ammonia gas in the air that is inside the coop that your chickens are breathing in. Ammonia affects the chickens' lungs and also kill their appetite. And here's the thing, a bird that cannot breathe properly will not eat, and a bird that cannot eat will not grow. So, all that feeds you are buying, it is not doing anything to help the chickens to grow. To solve this problem, open your vents, clear out the wet litters, keep that air clean, and your chickens will keep eating. So just fix these 3 things. Switch your feed at week 3, raise your feeders, fix your air, and this will protect your profits in this phase. The next video will be about finisher phase, where most farmers makes the biggest mistake. Tell me in the comment which one of these problems you have been facing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification bell to be notified when this video is uploaded. See you in the next video.